everyone, what's up? I'm Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become a professional pastry chef. Welcome back to our channel, and आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं one of the most simplest cake ever. Making this cake requires no baking, with just few ingredients and simple steps. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. So let's start making the cake by preparing this round ring by cling wrapping it twice. So here you can use any type of ring that you have or want to use. So our ring is ready. Now let's move on to the best part, that is making the cake. First, we'll melt this dark couverture chocolate and warm some fresh cream. So our ganache is ready. We'll transfer a very little amount of it to a small bowl and let it cool down a bit. Now we'll start crushing some biscuits. यहाँ पे मैं डाइजेस्टिव बिस्किट्स यूज कर रही हूँ, बट आप चाहे तो किसी भी तरीके का बिस्किट यूज कर सकते हो। अब हम इन बिस्किट्स को गनाश में फोल्ड कर देंगे और इसमें थोड़ा सा बटर और न्यूटेला ऐड करेंगे, विच विल गिव इट अ नाइस नटी फ्लेवर। So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, हमारा केक का बैटर तैयार है। And yes, making this cake was this easy. And if you like no baked cakes, then check out our chocolate mousse cake, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी। अब हम इस बैटर को इस रिंग में पोर कर देंगे। Now we'll keep it in the freezer for at least 4 to 5 hours. So it's been more than 5 hours. Now let's demold this cake. First we'll remove the cling wraps, then run a heat gun through the ring. Now we'll spread some of the ganache. अब इस पे प्लेस करेंगे चॉकलेट कर्ल्स एंड चॉप्ड हेज़लनट्स। विद दिस हमारी बिस्किट केक रेडी है। आई रियली होप कि आपको ये रेसिपी पसंद आई। Let me know in the comment section what did you like about this recipe, and I'll be back with another short recipe for you guys. Till then, keep baking.